Hello there. The time has come to build another Chinese kit of questionable quality. Now it's time to install some components. I will start with the diodes, or as some people call them, one-way check valves for pixies. Make sure the diodes are installed correctly. Observe the markings on the PCB. Now I will solder the diodes using my HEX soldering station, link to video in the cards. All the diodes are soldered. Now I check if everything is soldered properly. Now I will remove the excess diode leads with the eBay special Play-Doh cutters. The M tester confirms that this is the 240 ohms resistor. The 240 ohms resistor has been soldered. Now I will install the 100 NF ceramic caps and the 10 UF electrolytic cap. Now I will install the voltmeter. I had to make custom 3D printed bushings because the kit did not contain enough M3 screws. It had plenty M2 screws, so I decided to make it work with that. The included acrylic spacers will be used to raise the voltmeter from the board. My 3D printed bushings work fine, even the nut can be threaded on. Now the voltmeter wires will be cut and fed through the holes so they can be soldered. Now I will solder the output terminal block. The quick test confirms that it's working. Now I will install the big 1000 microfarad 25 volts capacitors. Make sure that they are installed correctly. Observe the polarity. Removing the protective film from the voltmeter and installing the potentiometer. Enjoy some blurry soldering. I didn't refocus the camera. That's more like it. Now it's nice and focused. It works. The output voltage can be varied. Now it's time to solder the secondary wires from the transformer. This is quite fiddly. The transformer and the PCB are now connected. Now both can be mounted to the bottom of the case. Now it's time to solder the high voltage side of the transformer. The wires of the plug do not take solder very well. And it's time to perform the old smoke test ritual. The death adapter will be used to make the US/China plug fit in our EU sockets. It works. No magic smoke has escaped. It can also power the cheap Phalomatic car LED bulbs.